A simple function in JavaScript can be written as follows. Which is a valid JavaScript function without any typing and etc. JavaScript is also a valid TypeScript. For that reason, we can compile this code without any problems. We can convert this function to TypeScript by using types for each element in this function by using Typescript syntax. For example, I have a parameter which is type of number that will return another number. Because of type inference in TypeScript, my function will be of type number. I can call this function by using following statement. For example, 2, which will return 4. It is also possible to define a return type for this function. There is one more possibility here. We can remove function keyword, and instead of this we can use fed arrow syntax. This will return the same results and compiler will not complain. Because of type inference, we don't need to write this part actually, because TypeScript knows which type will have and result will be. We can remove actually this part as well. We don't need return as well. We have converted a function from JavaScript to TypeScript. Interfaces can also describe a function type. For example, we can define a function type as interface, power function. I don't need a name here. I don't need a function name or something. I can define the signature of the function and its return type. Once I have an interface, I can define a variable. For example, I can say this is type of power function, and I can replace this definition. This will work as well. Advantage of this is that I have defined an interface function definition which I can use overall in my code. For example, I can define another implementation of this power function, which is of type power function. I expect a number. My return type will be this time 3 times I. Yes, it's working as well.